Yes, Brooklyn's gonna get off the horse. Beautiful day out. Colin, do you agree? Cindy! She can't hear us because she has her music up blaring. But whatever. Cindy!
Yes, I did.
Cindy! Hey, girl.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm putting some socks on.
I didn't bring any shoes.
Oh, my leg is still pulled muscled.
Cindy, what's wrong?
My legs are sore.
What are they doing? There's the pool over there. They've been on the pool. Oh, you just got away. There's Brooklyn and Allie. Oh gosh, they're coming this way. Oh! She scared me.
She scared me.
Oh, please, gonna go join now.
It's a good thing Leo wasn't in the front seat. To get lost or broke or fall out of pockets or half pockets. Are we allowed to walk with them?
Go run by it. Maybe I'll start running with you.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. It just had to take a break.
Oh, 2 more seconds, I'm coming.
I would eat you out.
Like, yeah, this is nice. You having fun? Oh, it's gonna eat.
Probably should stay out the grass.
We have to go
You
again.
have to collect
Like again?
here.
Not that kind of wood. I ain't picking that up. I don't know that wood bin.
That's not bad. $4 for 3 times around.
Yeah, the stubborn horse.
Yeah, but it's dumb, stubborn horse.
Well, Valerie's stubborn too. They just go out together.
Yep.
Well, yeah.
Probably it sounds familiar, but I don't know what it is.
It's the dog sled.
Oh yeah, we did that.
Sled race.
Oh,
Yeah.
we did that, Miss,
Whitmer did it. Whitmer, Craig.
Craig.
That's how I know her. That's how I knew her anyways.
Why?
Miss Whitmer.
Something like this.
I'm gonna be a horse trainer. I'm gonna try.
It's not wanting to go.
I'm gonna like what they're doing right now. Like tell them that's it.
It's not wanting to go.
Little girl or boy.
He's hesitating. She's hesitating. She's like moving her foot, but like.
Does not want to go. We have to go to school to be something to do with sports. So
You just come work here.
horse. Is that a horse? No.
Thanks.
Finally started moving.
I think Get the go-kart.
Thanks, Salawag.
The grass and yeah. I wish that was a go. Belly, this horse is doing better for her than me.
What'd you do?
No, she's still hesitating. Well, not as much because Valerie, you were just stubborn like that little horse. So that's why stubborn's like, maybe she don't feel her on there.
That was wrestling. And that's
Yeah,
giddy up.
No, when they took you
Giddy
to
up.
wait at the doctor.
No.
Weren't you 85?
Uh-uh.
I thought it said she said 85. She
No,
said
Val,
I'm sore.
I'm so working. It was 95.
You can. You know, I didn't get
Jake, come here.
Which side? This side?
I'm gonna eat your ass. Someone looks like a good dad.
Brooklyn looks good, but I look better, she says. Here, stay over here, guys. That car is on that.
It does have a wall. But the car is on this side of the road.
Yes, Brooklyn's gonna get off the horse. Beautiful day out. Colin, do you agree?
I don't like the camera on it.
Oh gosh.
I mean, I'm not scared.
Oh,
Yeah, this is cool. Daddy.
Nope, touch that stuff, guys.
Candy is right here. Okay, I like the picture.
ooh, look at down there.
Remember we saw a lizard? Maybe we'll find some other unfortunate creatures, Mom. No one person. They're big stuff, Mom. They're big stuff. Mom, next week you're gonna Mom, how many trails are there?
There's so many steps.
That going up them, I had to go up them.
Oh gosh, do we have to come back up them?
Well, hey, down over the hill, it's Valerie. I'm sure there's stairs, we gotta go up.
Ooh, look down there. That would be bad to fall down. So steep. You're still on the stairs. I'll wait for you. I'll be nice and wait. Don't fall. Oh gosh, we're getting behind. Oh goodness. Oh gosh. You okay? Oh good. You okay, girl? Okay. Did you see me slide? Okay. Feels good in here. It's echoey though. Where's the trail go? Oh goodness. Oh my goodness.
Here, you need to take. No, Kimmy, stay down here. I actually want my. Here, I'll go back.
I'll get it.
It's easy to go this way. Ew, it's stuck. You gotta figure your way. Ooh, it's hot.
You got it?
You have it? Mom, then we have to climb up. I remember.
remember this. This is where we had like the. This is where we tried to look for 11. Yeah.
11.
We just went on 6.
We saw pretty.
Man.
We saw pretty.
Yeah, there's that.
Right there. Right here is where we stopped.
Matt, remember it went in a circle? This is where it takes you up to that.
Yeah, and then Valerie climbed.
Yeah, Valerie got in trouble.
Yeah. Hey, Val. This is where you got in trouble the one time.
Bring back troublemakers.
Remember that?
Here at.
The cabin thing that we were actually kind of on the other side of the. Oh, where the rocks were?
Yeah.
Well, the like stone wall.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
oh, that way.
Nothing.
What?
And then that's a new one.
Get down there.
Okay, anyways. It looks peaceful. I just need to.
So pretty. Oh, it has a good view.
Breeze. Let's just.
Oh,
Let's stay in
this is our vacation time.
There's your white sands, Karen.
Yes. Oh my goodness. This is a good workout.
Oh yeah.
We got to be burning lots of calories doing all this.
We probably just burned off our lunch. Have to go eat again.
Yeah. Lots of stairs. Okay.
I'm terrified of heights.
I got this. I'm out of breath. Oh, oh my goodness. Hurry. More stairs. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's stranded here.
Is it nice in here?
Yes, it's nice and cold. But there's stairs.
Okay.
Where's Mom at?
Over here, Satan.
I caught my leg muscle.
Oh,
We go on that trail again, Mom? There, yeah, now we have to go down.
that's gonna be better than going up, though.
Yeah, then you have to come all the way back here and go up those many stairs.
Oh my goodness. Oh, is this where we left off at? What?
But it literally is the end. Like, this is just a walkway.
Oh wow. More scenery, I guess. More scenery. This is something to go on like a vacation with your spouse and stuff. Oh, it's such a beautiful day.
Careful with the mud.
Oh, that's why I'm walking right here.
Technically, I should be careful with the mud.
Yeah.
More walking in it.
I love those caves kind of things.
This is the fight song.
Work, hub it. What?
It's water. It looks like
Oh,
yellow.
yeah,
It
like.
looks like really dehydrated pee.
What? I have to go down more steps. 70 steps? Oh my goodness. stay up here.
I don't like birds.
Did you like going up these stairs? Colin? How is it going up 70 stairs? The pool. We're about to go in. We're about to go in the pools. We have to get our bathing suits first. The hike was really good. Hopefully I got some good footage for you guys. So, yeah. So, I'll see you in a little bit. Maybe sooner. There's the pool. We're at the pool, Colin. We're at the pool.
Okay,
Over
Gary,
the pool.
we're at the pool and now it's time for
Now it's time to swim.
I have to poop. Wait, did you get that on video? That's weird. Yes, we got that on video.
Oh no, there's nobody in there. Don't tell me it's closed.
No, there's people. It's probably break time.
Oh, well, it better be ready when we get our swimming suits on. I don't care what they say. I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in.
Well, we can't get in yet.
They'll pull me out. Well, they have fun pulling me out.
They will pull you out, Carrie.
Well, let's see them pull me. Go to the pool, Brooklyn. You ready for the pool? Yeah. I better put my hair down.
I like this top before it with mine. It's fine because.
And then do this one too.
You want it double tied, right?
I want it very tight. So, no, I know I should have treated you better. But me and you were meant to last forever. So let me in, give me another night. I just don't know what to do.